This is a brief step-by-step tutorial on how to sign up for personalized notifications on Nebraska Christian's new activities platform, rSchool. We do recommend that you initially sign up for notifications from a desktop computer. First, you will want to go to NC's rSchool homepage, which can be found by clicking the link that came with this video. Once on the page, on the far right-hand side is a menu with a calendar and 4 buttons below it. Click Notify Me. This will bring you to a new page where we'll get started. On the right side is an area for new account members. You will have to enter your email address and choose a password. Then click Create My Account. This will take you to another page where you will enter all of your information: first name, last name, primary email address, your title, and so on. All of these sections will need to be filled out in order to continue. Once everything has been filled in, hit Save and Continue. Now you can choose which activities you would like to be notified about. You can do this by clicking the checkboxes to the left of the group title. You can choose as many or as few as you would like. Once finished, click Continue to Next Step. This will bring you to the third and final step, setting up your notification preferences. This will allow you to receive reminder alerts about upcoming event times. You can also choose when you will receive these reminders. It should also be noted that all events are automatically set to send out scheduled change notifications. This way, if an event time or location changes, you will be alerted promptly. If you would rather opt out of this notification setting, you can do so by clicking No on each event. Once all of your preferences are set to your liking, click Save My Settings and you're finished. Thank you for watching and welcome to rSchool.